So where are we?
We are at the monkey park.
This is the monkey park?
Yes, wild monkey park, so we don't know we can see them or not. And we don't know.
Hence because they're wild.
Yes, you might be attacked or not.
Okay.
This is the old house, and in the winter they get the fire here. I mean, there's a fire in the center, and you can boil water or cook something and make yourself warm.
This is a Ojizo-san, and people have left Coca-Cola and other things for it. Kind of protector. Acorns. Japanese acorns. But in Japan they call them donguri. Right?
Yeah.
Donguri. So.
Yeah, all new.
All new.
Fresh
Nice.
acorns. And monkey shape.
The monkey park begins here. We saw some tracks back there, so I would not be surprised if there were monkeys around. Definitely. Tracks going up through the side of the hills. This is the monkey park here. Monkey park area. Cool. Yeah, neither do I.
The mom said every time she goes there, she could see the monkeys.
Your mother's very lucky.
Yeah, I think so.
This is the different kinds of animals up here. Monkeys, foxes. This is a kind of ferret.
Yeah.
Like a ermine, I guess. Rabbits, and another kind of like a badger. Same family as a ferret, basically. Squirrels, hawks, different kinds of songbirds, of course, mountain goats, or kind of mountain deer. It's a kind of antelope, technically, and of course bears. Asiatic black bear. People are really worried about them right now because there's a big attack at Mount Norikura, right?
Yeah.
Attacked and injured 9 people until they shot it. So,
Yeah.
But not too worried here about that.
Yeah.
That's extremely rare. So. So we came all the way up here for looking for monkeys, and there aren't any monkeys. At least not here. Not right now. Maybe it's not their feeding time or not the right time. I don't know. What do you think?
Maybe they're afraid of you.
They're afraid of me. Yeah. That's it. But the only monkeys we may have seen today were the ones out in the rice fields picking out the rice after the harvest, I guess. The only ones we get to see today. But it's nice. It's very peaceful up here in the mountains. We're near Haksan, so this whole area is very quiet. There's a highway right over here, but you have to pay to go through to the other side. So it's kind of one of those scenic highways. So basically, there's no traffic right now, so it's very, very quiet, and that's really nice because it's just very, very peaceful walking. So Yeah, fun, fun, fun. What's up here?
Ashi foot bath.
Foot bath. It's way up here. This is the foot bath, although it looks big enough to be an outside bath. It's pretty large. A lot of sulfur or something in the water. How's it feel?
Oh, yeah, it's hot.
Yeah?
If you want to try, that's green.
It's algae, I think. See the steam coming off of it? Slippery, I almost slipped. But it's hot too. Hey.
Stand
It's pretty hot. But it's slippery. Oh, his seat won't fall. Hey! Oh, almost got my pants wet. What? How is it? Pretty warm. Probably close to 40. At least.
It's over 40.
Over 40. So this is what happens. My feet get really, my whole body gets rid of them in the onsen, but like, see the line? Looks like a sunburn. Yeah. Overall, pretty fun. Pretty nice to soak the feet for a while, you know? And as my wife tries to take a picture of me, I guess. Barefoot, but not pregnant. This is one of the Chugu Onsens below the foot bath area. There's another one down here. I think there are two.
Three.
Two or three? Maybe three. Yeah, three. Yamanaka. Yamada, sorry, Yamada. Mountain rice field. And yeah, three onsens here. This one's got a nice entrance. Yeah. And restaurant. Actually, those are the rooms. Front part with the entrance. And the bath is right there. So I want, right in that window is the bath. So.